Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on a stainless steel pan. Heat a clean pan over medium until a few drops of water skitter. Add a thin layer of oil or butter and swirl to coat. Whisk eggs with salt and pepper. Pour when shimmering, not smoking. Tilt pan to spread. Cook edges, then fold gently into thirds and slide onto a warm plate. In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on a stainless steel pan. Start by preheating the pan for several minutes on medium to medium-low. Add a tablespoon of oil or a teaspoon of butter and let it melt and coat the surface fully. Check with 1 drop of water. It should dance and evaporate. Reduce heat slightly before pouring beaten eggs to prevent burning and sticking. In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on a stainless steel pan. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that last a lifetime and keep your feet comfy while you cook. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on a stainless steel pan. Pour the eggs into the center and tilt the pan to form an even round. Gently lift the cooked edges with a silicone spatula so uncooked egg runs underneath. When mostly set but still slightly wet on top, add fillings on half the omelet and fold it over. Slide onto a plate and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.